Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to be making a nice flower. For this we will start off by making a slip knot. Then insert your hook and chain 6. So yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull, yarn over, pull, and in this way we will chain 6. Now we will insert our hook in the first chain and make a slip stitch. There you go. This creates a ring. Now we will create a double crochet. It's very easy to make. We will do it all around the ring. Approximately 12 double crochet. We will make 12 double crochet around the ring. Now we will connect our last double crochet. For this we will insert our hook in the last chain, yarn over and pull through. Our first row is complete. After this we will connect another color to it. Now let's introduce another color. I will attach this new yarn by means of a magic knot. Cut the previous yarn. Knot this up with your pink yarn like this. There you go. And now the tricky part. Now you will have to attach or knot the pink one with the blue. Like it. Like this. There you go. We have created a magic knot. Cut the loose ends. We shall create our next row with this blue one. So let's start working with it. Chain 3. And now we will double crochet in the spaces. We don't need the chain to insert our hook in it. There are large spaces in between the double crochet. We will insert our hook in that space and make double crochet. We will make 2 double crochet in each space. As you can see, it's starting to shape up. You're making 2 double crochet in each space. And after making each double crochet, we are chaining 1. We will attach this last one with a slip knot. So in the last row we will make our petals. For this we are introducing our pink yarn again and attaching it by means of a magic knot, which we have done previously also. Cut the previous yarn, chain 1. Now we will make 7 half double crochet in each space. It's very easy to make. Let me show you. Yarn over, insert the hook, take a loop, yarn over and pull through everything. Do it 7 times in each space in order to give a petal shape. After making all the 7 half double crochet, we will attach our petal by means of a slip stitch. Let me show you again. Yarn over, take a loop, yarn over and pull through everything. Yarn over, insert your hook, take a loop, yarn over again and pull through everything. Do it 7 times. This will give a nice petal look to our flower. Do it all around our row. Our flower is almost complete now. After completing this last half double crochet stitch, we will make a slip stitch to finish it off. You can make it directly in the first chain of the first petal also, as you can see. There you go, our flower is complete. You can weave all your loose ends in the back.